Hi, this is tkviper, and today we're going to play with origami. I'm going to show you how to make a heart, and then a chain of hearts, and then finally a ring of hearts. As you can see, I have two here, and they are chained up already. Alright, so prepare 8 pieces of paper, different colors preferably. And here we go. Match up 2 corners and create a crease. Just like this. You got 1 crease here. And repeat with the other 2 corners and make another crease. So these creases will guide you in the next steps. So step 1 is done. Step 2, fold the corners in till they match up with the center point. Just like this. And just repeat with all the other corners. So step 2 and step 1 should be very easy. Now step 2 is done. And we have formed 4 more creases. Okay, step 3. Well, we're going to fold the corner until it reaches the crease you created in step 2. Okay, and then we're going to fold 1 more time. Okay, so corner to the crease you made in step 2, and then roll it 1 more time. So 2 folds for each corner. And repeat for all 4 corners. So again, step 3 should be no problem for most people. Okay, step 4, turn it over, fold the corners inward to the center point. Again, a very easy step. And repeat for all the corners. And we are done with step 4. Now step 5 is a bit tricky. So basically we have 4 pockets here, and we want all the pockets to pop out. Okay, so open up like this and then fold it down so that the creases are more pronounced. Likewise, for the other 2 pockets, we do the same thing. Make sure the pockets stick out, and then fold this down, make the creases stronger. And now we should have a star shape like this, with all the pockets sticking out. Okay, so play around until you get this star shape. Once you do, we want to flatten like this, and then it becomes a heart. Okay, so you see that? First, we have a star shape, and we flatten it this way, and we should have a heart shape. Okay, that's 1. Let's review. We'll make another heart. Step 1 again, line the corners together, make a crease. Try your best to make the most perfect crease. Repeat with the other 2 corners. And step 1 is done. Step 2, fold the corners to the center point. And create 4 more creases. So this is step 2. Should not be a problem for anyone. Okay, when we're done, open up the flaps. And then step 3, fold the corners to the crease you made in step 2. And then roll it 1 more time. Repeat for all the corners. And we are done with step 3. turn it over, and step 4 will fold the corners inward to the center point. Repeat with all the corners, and we're done with step 4. Alright, step 5, turn this over, pop out all the pockets. We want them to pop out. Okay, so pop 2 pockets out, and then fold it down to strengthen, make the crease harder. Okay, and then repeat for the other 2 corners, the other 2 pockets. And then form a shape of a star, like this. Once you have the star, then you can fold down like this to form the shape of a heart. Okay, now we have 2 hearts, and now we can link them up together. Okay, step 5 was pretty hard. Step 6 is harder. Okay, notice there are 2 flaps on each side. Okay, let me show you again. The heart like this, turn it to the side. You should have 2 flaps, one on each side. And then let's open this up. You should see a shape of a diamond on each side. So we should have 2 diamonds. They're like pockets, diamond-shaped pockets, one on each side. And likewise on the green one, we should have 2. And we're going to stick 1 pocket from the green one into the red pocket. Okay, so make sure you form the 2 diamond pockets nicely. Like this. Okay, and now we're just going to stick in the green one into the red one, or the red one into the green one. It really depends on what you want to do. Okay, so now it's in there. Once you get it in, you want to make sure everything is lined up perfectly and that you can fold it down like this. Okay, fold it down, strengthen the creases, and then strengthen the connection. Alright, and now we're gonna connect these 2 to the 2 that I made before the video in the same manner. So the red one goes into the pink one, and the pink one should go into the orange one. And I think I made a mistake here. I actually did the other way around. I'll fix that later on. Okay, this is tricky because the paper feels kind of flimsy. I think it's even better to make it on smaller pieces of paper. But anyway, we got 4 hearts linked up like this. As you can see, the pink one here is linked up incorrectly. The pink one should have been inside the orange one. I'll fix that in this video. Okay, so now we've got 7 linked up, and this is the 8th one. I'm going to show you how to link up the 8th one to the 7th one. And as you can see, I've already fixed the first one and the second one. The pink one now is inside the orange one. So it's all good. Now we have 8 of them linked up, and you can play with this already. This is basically a chain of hearts. You can surprise your friends. Look at my heart. Boom. Surprise them. Like a jack in the box. And we can have a little spring here. But we're not done yet. Now we're going to make a chain of hearts, or a loop of hearts. So you're going to put the 8th one into actually the first one into the 8th one. Okay, we're going to put the first one into the 8th one. We're going to make a loop of hearts, or a ring of hearts. So put the first one into the last one. And now we have a ring of hearts. And now we can have fun like this. You see that? It's a nice pattern, huh? Sometimes you'll notice that things will fall apart. And in those instances, you should strengthen your creases again. As you can see, some things are falling apart here. So let's strengthen the creases. Like this. Fold it down a little bit to strengthen the creases, and now it should be okay. And now we can play with it like this. Pretty cool, huh? Again, I recommend maybe making the paper sizes smaller. These paper sizes are a little bit too big. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy making this origami and having fun with your friends. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.